Dear viewers, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your hard disk health. There are so many ways to check your hard disk, so here I'm going to show you one of the most simplest ways to check your hard disk. So at first go to the run option, write cmd, then write wmic disk drive get status, model, then press enter. Here you can see that my hard disk is okay. So if your hard disk is not okay, then it will show error status. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.